Lesson 4, Travel, Diku and the Vision of Golden Age. Here we read about the Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda is famous in Jharkhand as a Dharti Aba. In mid 1870, Birsa was born in a family of Munda, a tribal group that lived in Chotanagpur. He is known to oppose British interference in the name of administration in forest area and revolted in 1895 till his death in 1900. Birsa Munda was a folk hero and a travel hero fighter hailing from the Munda tribe. He was famous in Jharkhand and Chotanagpur. Forest law and their impact. Forest law classified some forests as reserve forest for they produced timber which the British wanted. In these forests, people were not allowed to move freely, practice jhum cultivation, collect fruit, or hunt animal. Many sapling cultivators therefore forced to move to other area in search of work and livelihood. This poses problem of labor for the Britishers to cut tree for railway sleepers and to transport logs. How did colonial rule affect tribal lives? The lives of tribal groups changed during British rule. Their faith were tried to be changed, and the Christian missionaries and law related to forest were had direct impact on their traditional rights. What happened to tribal chief? Before the arrival of the British, tribal chief enjoyed economic power and had the right to administer and control their territory. Under British rule, the function and power of the tribal chief changed as they were allowed to keep their land title but lost their administrative right. Rules made by British took over the entitlement and power to administer the forest area. What happened to the shifting cultivator? The British were uncomfortable with the shifting cultivator as it was more easy to control a settled group. The British wanted to regulate revenue source for the state and introduce land settlement. The British effort to settle jhum cultivator were not very successful in northeastern part. Birsa Munda declared that God had appointed him to save his people from trouble, to free them from the slavery of the coup. Thousands became the followers of Birsa. A movement began under the leadership of Birsa. The political aim of the Birsa movement were to drive out Christian missionary, moneylender, Hindu landlord and the government and to set up a Birsa Munda Raj. As the movement spread, British government official arrested Birsa in 1895. The impact of the Munda rebellion was that Chotanagpur Tenancy Act of 1908 got the Mundas some recognition to the tribes. Khotankuti rights and Begri was banned. He led one of the tribal religious movement in Jharkhand against British colonial era. All. Thank you.